This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Play Store not working on your phone. So the easiest way to do this is just go to the top and then go to settings. So I'm on my Samsung phone and we can scroll on down and we want to go to where it says apps. So locate apps, choose that, then find the Google Play Store under here. So let's wait for this slow phone to load. And then we can find the Google Play Store. So let's scroll on down. And it should be right about here. So here's Google Play Store. Tap it. Then go to the top, tap this, and go to Uninstall Updates. So tap the three dots, Uninstall Updates, go to OK. And this is usually what gets it to work right here. So we can find the Google Play Store right here. And we can try force stopping it right now too. Then we can go to where it says storage. We have the option to clear the cache and clear the data too in the future if we want to come back to this, if it's still not working. Now let's go and just try opening it up. So let's go to open. And there might be some screens that pop up now. And go ahead and just try that once you uninstall the updates and see if that fixes your issue.